How to remove text from video in VN app. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. To remove text from a video in the VN app, follow these simple steps. First of all, launch the VN app on your mobile device. Now, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon to create a new project or select an existing project. I'm choosing the existing project of mine saved here, named as Fun Day. Choose the video from your gallery or timeline that contains the text you want to remove as well. So here, as you can see, I have a text as a fun day. Scroll through the timeline and look at the specific clip where the text appears. Tap on the video clip or the text clip in the timeline that has the text overlay. Once you tap on the text layer, you will get to see the delete option available on your screen. Simply tap on the delete icon to delete the text. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.